Hello children, welcome back. From today we are starting revision of our second lesson, that is Good Night Anu. In this video we will describe all pictures given in the story. Also we will revise new words and their meanings. I will read the story for you. So children, first we will describe the pictures. Look at this picture. There is a beautiful grey house. It is raining. We can see a dark, stormy night. All the lights of this house are on. So we can guess Anu and her dad are in the house still awake. Anu lives in this house with her dad. See the next picture. We can see Anu and her dad. Anu's family is a small family. There are only 2 members in her family. Anu and her dad are getting ready to sleep. They are doing some activities before sleeping. We can see here they are drinking milk by sitting on the bed. Anu's dad is talking to her. See this picture. We can see in this picture, Anu's dad is reading a storybook for her. And she is also listening carefully. They both are enjoying a story. Now, in this picture, Anu's dad is putting a blanket on Anu to make her sleep. Anu is asking something to her dad. Maybe she is waiting for something. Oh, we can see here Anu was waiting for her teddy. So, dad is putting her teddy near to her. Anu is looking very happy because her friend Teddy is with her now. See the next picture. This is a very cute picture. We can see here. Now Anu is sleeping and her dad is bending and kissing her lovingly. This is the last picture. Now lights are off. Means Anu and her dad slept peacefully. Now I will read a story. Before that, we will understand the importance of reading. Reading is important because it develops the mind. It develops language skills. It also helps to listen. When you are reading, you are actually gaining the knowledge and experience of someone. Through hearing stories, children are exposed to a wide range of words. This helps them build their own vocabulary. So, children, you should read anyone's story every day. Now, I am reading a new story for you. Listen carefully. Story name is Good Night Anu. It was a dark, stormy night. The rain came down, splat on the roof, splat, splat on the windows, and splat, splat, splat on the door. In the little grey house, Dad was putting Anu to bed. Ready now, Anu? Oh no, I'm waiting. Dad poured milk in 2 glasses. Both of them drank milk. It felt warm. Ready now, Anu? Oh no, I'm waiting. Dad sat on the bed beside Anu and they read her favorite book, and both of them knew all the words. Ready now, Anu? Oh no, I'm waiting. Dad pulled one side of the blanket right up to Anu's chin. He pulled the other side too, tucking it under her toes like a bundle. Outside the wind blew. Outside the rain came down. Splat on the roof, splat splat on the windows, and splat 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 on the door. Ready now, Anu? Oh no, I'm waiting. Dad arranged Anu's friends on the bed, and they all snuggled up close in the blanket. After that, Dad yawned. You must be ready now, he said. But Anu shook her head and said, I'm waiting. Dad said, we have had warm milk, read a book, tackled the blanket and arranged your toys. What did I forget? You know, said Anu. Said Dad. Milk, book, blanket, friends. Milk, book, blanket, friends. Anu waited. She waited and waited. And then at last, Dad said, Oh, I know. Anu's good night kiss. And he bent down, kissing Anu once, then twice more. Again cried Anu. And Dad bent down, kissing once, then twice more. Outside, the wind blew and the rain came down. In the little grey house, Dad turned off the lights and said, Good night, Anu. I love you. Anu went to sleep on the dark, stormy night, and Anu slept peacefully. My dear children, now we will understand the meanings of new words of this story once again. Stormy, stormy means windy. Splat, splat, splat means to strike. Snuggle, snuggle, snuggle means to settle in a warm, comfortable position. Tuck, tuck means to wrap or to fold. Next is yawn means to open the mouth widely, to breathe in deeply due to tiredness. Children, today we have revised the new words and understood importance of reading. Many of you prepared very beautiful cards for the persons who puts you on the bed. Now today you can draw and tell them what is the best bedtime activity out of all. Children, if you have not completed this page in your textbook, complete it. Thank you. Take care.